Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker MTUNE M1 with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that we should enter to prank mode. So we have a few options how to make it. If it's your first connection, you just press and hold at the power button and your speaker enter to prank mode automatically. But if you want to enter prank mode manually, or you have this speaker connected to another device, firstly you turn on your speaker, and after that we have right here Bluetooth button, so you press and hold at this button and you will enter to prank mode manually. Now we can see it as the device list, so tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!